Hello, 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 my foodie fam, my fellow foodies, my vibrant viewers. Let's get into it. Hello, how is everybody doing today? Hope everybody is doing okay. I'm doing okay, despite. We'll get into that in a minute. But anyway, so I'm going to tell you what we're having, say a silent prayer, and we're going to get right into it, okay? Today we are having really quick White Castles. Yes, we are. And I forgot that fast. I believe I said it, but just in case I didn't, how's everybody doing today? Oh my God. Y'all see how the sun just came and hated on us like that? Okay, anyway. That sun came through for a second. Today is not my day. I'm just not having the best day. But as you can see, I'm still trying to keep a smile on my face. And yeah, sometimes you got to smile through, okay? Smile through. But anyway, what we have here, as I said, we have chicken rings. I have a 3-piece cheese stick. They have a coupon in the app today. And I have not even sure if y'all can see it at this point. Let's see. It's a double bacon jalapeno cheeseburger. Yeah, I'm dying to bite it. Look at that. I ain't even said my prayer. Being greedy, as usual. And the fries. I typically don't get the fries, but if I do, I go ahead and ask them to put that cheese on there. You know. But anyway, so let me say a silent prayer. Then we'll get into it, okay? Anyway. Yes. Yes. I'm dying to bite it. I'm hungry. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Here I go. Dry mouth, cotton mouth Fallon. Oh, cotton mouth Fallon. Mm. That is so satisfying. I don't eat White Castle often, but I have moments where I'm craving it. How many people like White Castle and still eat White Castle? Mm. 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 So again, this is not what we were supposed to be having for lunch today, okay? It's not even lunchtime yet. It's still early. Really early. Well, not really early, but still early. But this is not what we were supposed to have today, guys. Mm. Mm-mm. we're having this because I was outside. I had to get up super early this morning and take my truck to the mechanic. My battery light came on. Why, I don't know. It's a newer truck, and I have not had this truck that long. Let's eat something else. As I was saying, I haven't had the truck that long, but I tell you what, the newer cars and trucks, they're nice, the newer vehicles. They have so much more problems than the way they made cars back in the day, you know. They're not even built from as much solid material as the way cars used to be. They just look nice, okay? They just look nice. And they have more updated, excuse me, features. Let's get this cheese stick, okay? We're going to dip it in that marinara for you, okay? Take a bite. Hurry up. But as I was saying, again, I took my truck to the auto repair shop this morning because the battery light came on the other day. And after paying for a diagnostic test, I need an alternator, which is awkward to me. Again, I haven't had the car that long, but so that was just frustrating for me. They were trying to tell me that my alternator is going to cost me $340. I'm like, okay. Labor, another $300. So we're talking $640, somewhere around there. Chicken ring. And what did they give me? Honey mustard? Honey mustard. That's good. Got a little sun here. That's honey mustard, guy. So, I put down a deposit just so they can go ahead and order my part. But, me being silly, now thinking, I have a warranty on my truck. I have a warranty on all my cars, but I think on this vehicle, the one I'm in now, I have a platinum warranty, so everything is covered. I just have to pay my deductible, which is much cheaper than what I was just gonna shell out. But I'll tell you what, being an adult is hard. It ain't no joke. Do you remember back in the day, depending on how old you are, do you remember back in the day when you used to be upset about something and you'd be like, well, I can't wait until I'm grown and I'm going to do things different when I'm grown and I can't wait to get out of here. If your parents or whoever, you were raised by was making you upset, honey, listen, you can wait. You don't want to wait. Adulting is hard. It really is, guys. Adulting is hard. Them chicken wings good today, honey. That's what I like about White Castle. You know it's gonna be made fresh. mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. But that's life, okay? Adulting is hard. When people yelling they can't wait until they grown and they can't wait to do this and wait to do that. You gotta pay all these bills and figure your problems out on your own. See, now my lights and stuff coming on in my car. If I was smart, I would have just went home. But I was trying to stop and do this mukbang for you guys, you know. I'm not far from my house. I'm up the street, though. Speaking of, there goes my mechanic. Hold tight, guys. So, I'm sorry about that, guys. My mechanic called. As you can see, I'm in a different setting. I am back at my house. My mechanic called, and my car also, the alternator went completely out, so I was stranded right there. The mechanic had to physically come get me and take my car with him. I apologize for this video being so, what I call is a little janky, but give me a chance to redeem myself, guys, okay? See, I'm standing for y'all. I put myself on punishment. This doesn't even deserve a seat, okay? At all. I just wanted to come back and finish the meal for y'all. At first I said forget it, but I just wasn't going to use the video. But hey, I spent the money on the food. I took the time out of, you know, my schedule. So I want to finish for you guys. At least I'm trying, you know. Again, this is a double bacon jalapeno cheeseburger. Look at this. I even left my cup in the car when they came and towed it away. So had to come home and pour me some juice. You know. Again, I'm sorry. You guys, I'm having a rough day and I'm still trying to manage the post. Trying to post. I don't even blame y'all if y'all like, Cheese pull. Where's that cheese pull? If I didn't say this before, which I believe I said it, as I always say it, like right now, it's supposed to bring me a rental. It comes with my warranty and my plan, but I don't even think I want it. I mean, I don't need it, so let me say that. I have it a necessity. Mm, 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 mm. I promise you guys, I'm not even hungry. I think I'm more disappointed. Just not even disappointed, frustrated. You know how it is. Look, I done changed sauces and everything. I have barbecue sauce, but it's good. I changed sauces. So again, I just wanted to come back and finish for you guys. That was that. I didn't want to just be a quitter and be like, oh, forget it. And have an excuse just not to finish or post. So I may do another video tonight. If not, I'll definitely do one tomorrow to make up for this. Oh, that is so good. Minute Maid. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, I feel like something in the sauce cup. Mm. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh. I'm full, guys. I'm not even going to push the issue. I was going to try to finish it. There's nothing in the other boxes. They're empty, except for the bite of burger. So, again, I apologize for the video being all just over the place today. But I came back to let y'all know what happened. So, doesn't that count for anything? But either way, I got to go and finish dealing with, you know, my grown folks problem. And, yeah. So, as I end this video, all I can say, you guys, is, you know, when things get rough, keep your head up. Try not to crack under pressure, like I always do. You know, let things get the best of me. So, with that being said, whatever you do, stay positive, be powerful, and always remain vibrant. Until the next video, my foodie fam.